The DNS threat landscape is evolving, making advanced attacks harder to detect than ever. This demo shows how EfficientIP's advanced technologies uncover an Infostealer in real time.
EfficientIP detected a previously unknown cryptostealer by analyzing DNS traffic patterns. Slimmerwriter.com received the highest possible risk score by the detection engines. The domain appeared in DNS traffic repeatedly from May to June, indicating an ongoing infection. Slimmerwriter.com functions as the stager in the malware chain, initiating the cryptostealer delivery. ActivatorCounter.com is the payload linked to the cryptostealer malware campaign. Like Slimmerwriter.com, this domain was assigned the highest risk rating, reinforcing its role in the threat. These suspicious domains were queried multiple times within the network, suggesting persistent activity. We now examine the indicators of compromise associated with these domains. Here we can see this is the payload, the malicious code delivered via the DNS communication. We can trace how the domain's resolution behavior evolved over time. The domain was reconfigured multiple times, helping it avoid static detection. We can explore related domains, infrastructure, and attack patterns directly in the dashboard. Several malicious domains resolve to the same IP, revealing shared attacker infrastructure. Attackers often use a single IP address to host multiple suspicious domains, reusing infrastructure across campaigns. Here's a live capture of the ActivatorCounter.com page used in the cryptostealer campaign shown in this demo. This was a brief demonstration of how EfficientIP's DNS Intelligence Center can be used to analyze an unknown Infostealer detected in real time.